chest work. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a new day. Hi. Where have I been? I have recently gotten back from New York Fashion Week. It was amazing. I am back now with some makeup plan and I'm so excited because I just had a huge Sephora haul. I also went crazy with foundations because I haven't really been able to find the perfect foundation, just one on its own, because I've been mixing and playing with different foundations together, you know, because I'm a chemist. But I haven't found the foundation that I just use, my go-to one. I'm gonna be trying something kind of crazy, so I am going to go ahead and use one side Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation that just came out, and the other side I want to try the Fenty Beauty one that just came out as well. I heard great things for both things, but I just wanted to try it out. I might also come back later and say maybe they didn't wear the whole day or whatnot, just because I don't know if you've seen my review of the Kylie Jenner skincare, but I have to say that after using it for 1 month, it made me really break out in this area that I'm still trying to fix. And obviously over here is hormonal, but I did have huge breakout areas in my face, and so I stopped using Kylie Jenner. I do still use her makeup wipes, so I don't think it's her makeup wipes, but I do think there's something in the formula that has been making me break out. So though I did give a very glowing review in the beginning, I just want to say that just because I don't want to lie. I don't want to lie to y'all. Alright, so moving on. Today I want to focus on Anastasia Beverly Hills' new everything. So she has a new setting powder that I just got, and then she has a new palette and a new foundation, as I said. First of all, the holographic is so amazing. I am obsessed with this packaging, and when you open it, even this is holographic snake skin, and then inside, ta-da! But I'm really excited to just try out all these purples. These are literally my go-to colors all in one palette, which is why I'm super excited. I used to have the Violet Voss that I really loved so much. So it has a little bit of fall and a little bit of splash of color, which I really like. Alright, so let's get into it. This is one of my favorites that I've been using. So this is the Kaja primer, and it comes out in foam. Okay, check this out. Oh my god, so fun. And you just need a little squirt. You don't need a lot. So I'm just gonna put this, oh my god! And then I'm going to use my Hourglass, and I'm just going to put it on the top of my eye. I like to do this, but I like to mix it with my primer, and it creates a good base for eyeshadows. That's what I think. Alright, and because I have a lot of discoloration on my face right now, I'm going to use the tint. I always say this term, it's not called tint. The tint Idol Ultra Wear, and it's in camouflage, and it's in this reddish color. I'm just going to go in and just kind of lay it down in places I have discoloration. I look crazy! I just like to call this the booty because this is the point area, so the booty of the beauty blender, and just pat it down. A little gray, a little gray. Alright you guys, now it's time to play in the palette. My favorite part. Okay, so first, we're gonna use the very fluffy brush, and I'm gonna just lay down a light color. So there's a color called Ginger on here, and I just want to use one palette. So I'm gonna use the Ginger, and then I'm just gonna kind of lay down lightly the color just to see. And you guys, I have not played with this before, so if this ends up looking crazy. Okay, I like that. It is my normal buff out color. It's a little bit darker than my normal lay down color, but I think it's still pretty good. Now we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna do obviously purple, obviously. I'm just gonna do kind of a gradation, so I wanna do a purple and pink, so it's Big Wig, Shuckington, and Supreme, and Wiggly's. Wow, these names. Okay, I'm gonna pick up the Big Wig, and I'm gonna kind of start packing at the end right here. And as I'm going, I'm blending it out. So I'm packing and then blending, packing and blending. And then the middle part, I am actually going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills' little brush. Oh wait, I didn't see this. Oh my God, so there is a fluffy brush and then like a more tapered. I didn't know. So this is included. I'm gonna use the included brush. And I'm gonna use pinker, and I'm just gonna pack it in the middle. Yeah, I feel like the other side is a little, it doesn't work as well as I wanted to. So just use my normal blending brush. Alright, so I have kind of a gradation of a pinker and the Big Wig, and then I want to like put on the Supreme, and I want to make sure it shows up on my skin. So usually what I'll do is I'll put a little bit more concealer on, and then I'll kind of put on the pigment. My skin isn't really white and it's more olive undertone, and so some of the colors sometimes don't show up as like vibrant. So that's what I want to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hourglass thing I had earlier, and I'm gonna pack it on. I'm not really cutting the crease or anything, I'm just putting it on so that the vibrant color of the pink will show. And then we're gonna go in with the pink. Oh yeah, we love a pigment moment. Wow, ooh, I like that. I will say maybe I'm not really liking how the purple is coming out though, but maybe it's just my eye. Of course, what we can't forget is a glitter. So I'm gonna put on a little bit of glitter on. There is a purple glitter color called Shuckington. So I wanna kind of mix that and the color that I need to absolutely use. I don't know if it goes with this or not, is lamb. I always use that word, and now it's a fucking color, so we gotta use it. All right. So let's go into Shuckington. So I'm gonna put Shuckington right here, like right before the end. And I'm not gonna blend it out quite yet. And then I'm going to put on the Zam. I'm gonna take a little bit of Zam. I know this is a weird tactic, but that's what I'm doing. And then I'm gonna just tap, 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 blend it out, but very lightly. Now that I have this going on, I absolutely love, oh my gosh, I just really love this pink so much. So I love what's happening. I'm gonna put on my eyeliner. So let me just, okay. Now I do have a little addition I would like to put on. I'm gonna just put one on. All right. Ooh, little rhinestone lick. Wow, I kind of feel like it looks a little weird. Maybe it's because it's like not symmetrical right now. Top it off, I'm gonna put on my Lily lashes. I'm really loving it. So I'm gonna do my brows, the other side, and I'll be back. Alright guys, I am back with doing the other side. I'm really loving how this has come out. I know I do a lot of like purple pink looks, but I think this is like my favorite. And I love these like little rhinestones that, not rhinestones, but little rhinestone sticker things right in the middle, and so cute. I love this. Now for the foundation. All right, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation for one side. I guess one pump should be enough, but I usually use 4 pumps, so. Use the other side in Fenty Beauty. I think this one's a little bit lighter. So they're like almost 2 different colors almost. I do have to use a little bit more of the Fenty Beauty. Let's go in with Hourglass and we're just gonna contour the face. Set it in the vanilla. So for contour, I always use my Sephora palette just because I really like it. It works for me, so why not? So I'm just gonna go in with this. All right, now for the little snack. By that I mean, obviously, highlighter. Also, a little trick, I put on the highlighter on the Cupid's bow before I put on any lip stuff because it helps me actually find my Cupid's bow. So I'm just gonna, oh, it is kind of red. Alright guys, so this is my finished look. I absolutely love just like the gradation. This pink in this Anastasia Beverly Hills palette is just amazing. I would not have thought that it would be so pigmented, but it is one of my favorites. Dare I say even more than Violet Voss because I only use Violet Voss. But you guys, I'm trying to try out more palettes. I have like so much more that I have bought to try out for you guys. Alright you guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification what? And don't forget to hit like and hit that notification button so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. Alright y'all, until next time, bye!